Hi, today I will show you how to redeem OnePay rewards at Walmart. So, redeeming your OnePay rewards at Walmart is simple once you know where to look. Whether you're shopping online or in a store, you can turn your earned points or cashback into real savings in just a few steps. So, first, start by launching the OnePay application on your phone. Go to the rewards or cashback section, and this is where all your available rewards are listed. Check your total points or cashback balance before heading to Walmart. Now, OnePay usually offers two options: redeem as cashback to your card or as a store or credit gift balance. Select the cashback option if you want to use your rewards directly when paying at Walmart. Then tap redeem or transfer to card. The cashback will move instantly to your OnePay card balance. Once it shows under your available funds, it's ready to spend like a regular money. Now head to any Walmart store, at checkout, swipe, insert or tap your OnePay card just like a normal debit card, and the redeemed cashback will automatically apply from your balance, lowering your total payment. After the purchase, open your OnePay app again to view the transaction. You will see both the deduction and the updated balance, confirming your rewards were successfully used. And that's it. Your OnePay reward just turned into real Walmart savings, quick, easy, and totally automatic once you've transferred balance to your card. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.